Introduction. We were inspired to write this book because there are a vast number of relatively new business owners who have passion and talent but do not know how to grow a successful business. Often they start out with big dreams and naive expectations about where clients will come from, and then they make poor choices or no choices and stay in their comfort zones. As a result, many become stagnant and settle for doing their business on the side to bring in a few bucks while being dependent upon some other form of income, or they quit their business altogether. Everyone seems to love to tout owning a business, sharing their successes on social media to feel better and get social approval, but then they return to quiet desperation, sitting alone in their home, living hand to mouth, hoping for the next client to come. Without knowing the correct actions to build their business, they often resort to getting more education or additional certifications, as if doing so will somehow magically bring in clients. It doesn't. Obtaining additional education is appropriate if your goal is to get a job, or if your additional education will supplement your already profitable, self-sustaining business. If not, more education or certifications will only make you a better technician. They will not cause you to become a profitable business owner. Specific actions are required to be profitable as a local business. No one wants to feel that their business is constantly on life support because they don't know what to do next. To step through those limitations, you will have to be willing to change the story you tell yourself and take corrective action. You have to put yourself out there in a big way. This book is for the business owner who is done lying to herself. You deserve better. The good news is that it is possible to own and run a business that supports you financially. It will take setting some healthy expectations of what it involves and what actions you'll need to take to arrive there. Part 1 of this book addresses the highly common internal challenges first-time business owners face, especially those with non-degreed certifications, that is, hypnotherapists, life coaches. It will help you spot potential pitfall areas and aid you in self-assessing your readiness for what lies ahead. Part 1 is essential for aspiring first-time business owners, especially those who identify as intuitive or feeler in the Myers-Briggs type indicator. Part 2 of this book offers best practices and gold nuggets of wisdom for pre-launching and launching when opening your doors for business. Reading this section before you apply the strategies offered in Part 3 will make you more effective and save you lots of time and money. Part 3 of this book offers free local marketing strategies for getting new clients as a full-time local business owner with the intent to have a brick-and-mortar office location. This part will benefit new part-time business owners working towards a full-time self-sustaining business. However, it will also benefit established full-time business owners who want to become more profitable. When we say self-sustaining business, we mean a business that makes enough money to pay for its own expenses and provides for all your personal financial needs. Every strategy in Part 3 is something we have done ourselves, every bit of it. None of the strategies are theories. The only thing missing from making these tried and true practices a reality is you. You must put in the time and the dedication to nurture these practices so that they produce fruit for you. If you're willing to commit, you can expect similar results. You need to know where you are on the map before you can decide which direction you need to go. This book may feel like a positive gut punch for some readers. It may knock the wind out of you at first as you read and realize, oh crap, that's me. But it will swiftly get you on the right track. You need to know where you are on the map before you can decide which direction you need to go. Hopefully, the book will also validate the good choices you've made thus far while providing additional strategies you can take action on today. To Making Smart Choices, Todd and Kyra Schaefer.